Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez and I have the second part of my thrift store haul that I recently posted for you. So let's get everything out of the way. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. And let's just get started because hopefully I'm able to post these in the same day and this is your second video you're watching from me. So again, let's just get right into it. First item I'm going to show you are these salad serving tosser spoons. These are beautiful. I love the detailing on them, on the handle and then at the top. So this would be like the fork and this would be the spoon. I think they are perfect. I love them. I think I paid $2.99 for both of them. I removed the tag immediately because I wanted to come home, wash them and use them. And again, these look brand new. I don't know if you can tell what it says back here. Maybe you guys can help me find some information on it. Ugh. I don't even think I can show you. I don't know if it says CB Tout 2001. I don't know, but I absolutely love this. I would like to find out more information to see if they have any other items like these. And of course I had to buy a tier tray and it is this beautiful silver one. I paid $5.99 for this one. It is a little wobbly, but I feel like anytime I see them at Marshall's or anywhere, they're always a little wobbly. I tried to tighten this screw to see if I was able to get it so that it didn't wobble, but once it's actually being used, you can't even tell. I just love this one. I actually have this on my nightstand with some of my jewelry and I think it works perfect for that. I'm going to be doing a video hopefully super soon on styling different types of tier trays for different rooms in your house and just for different occasions. So I'm going to definitely be including this because I have gotten a lot of questions on styling trays like this for things other than the kitchen. From Goodwill, I also got a pair of these brass candle holders. It is super dirty inside, like they really let the candle wax melt in there. But I absolutely love this. I love this shape on it. I'm gonna tilt it. Hopefully you can see, there we go, that it has this pattern on these glass panes. I absolutely love it. It's like a little lantern actually. It has the little door to open and put your candle in, which is kind of unnecessary because it has that right there, but I guess if it's short, you will need that. I love these. I got a pair of these and these were $3.99 each. I also got this and I don't even know what to call it. I got it for $5.99, but I did get this 50% off because I got this when they had their 50% off sale. And I think this is a magazine holder. Sorry, I'm moving it a lot. Hopefully, hopefully you can see it all. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this color. I think I may do, what's that thing called, rub and buff, in the really dark color that almost looks black because I feel that would match more of what I currently have in here. So I love this piece. Most likely will be changing this. Now this is the item that I love the most of the entire haul that I'm showing you right now, and this is heavy. Okay, I bought this, oops, I don't know if to call it a trunk. It's a suitcase. That's the word I was looking for. But it's this beautiful suitcase and it's in this beautiful brown color. I absolutely love it. Can someone explain to me why it has, these up here when this is supposed to be the top and this is supposed to be the bottom? Like if you were to lay it down on the floor to open it, why are they on the top? Can someone explain? But anyways, I love this piece. I'm gonna struggle showing it to you. I'll insert a picture. You most likely already saw this on my home tour. I'm gonna link that down below and probably up in the top. It was for my summer home tour. You'll see summer home tour. I did show where I have this. I absolutely love this piece. It's perfect because it also serves as storage. So I have other decor in here. Right now I have some of my thrift store items, so I'm gonna just open it up and take stuff out of the suitcase. And guess what? I bought it for $4.99 and it had 2 keys in here. So you can actually lock it. So if you wanted to keep stuff away from your children or anyone, you can actually lock this, and it has 2 sets of keys. I'm gonna see if I can show you the inside because it's beautiful. Oops, maybe I should have opened it the other way. There you go, and you can see the key right there. So it has this a beautiful lining, and this has like these little ruffles, and it's plastic, not plastic, but it's I don't know what to call it, but it's not just regular fabric. So this is wipeable, and I think that's why it has held this beautiful shape right here. And then it has the elastic, and that has also held up really well. I don't think they used this part because it is not stretched at all. And again, I don't know if you can see the price there, but I got it for $4.99. And again, I bought this when they had their 50% off sale on everything in the store. So I only paid $2.50 for this. Can you believe it? This huge, beautiful trunk was suitcase was $2.50. Absolutely love it. I have not been able to find another one that I love in this good of a condition and for this good of a price. From now on, the really thin, smaller ones, I've only seen them for $7.99 and up. So I know I got really lucky when I found this. So I'm gonna put this behind me, and I'm gonna show you all the items that I have inside. So you're going to see me digging from over here. This is just where I was able to start. So from inside the trunk, I'm going to show you the rest of my items. I got this other brass candle holder, and this one was $3.99, but this one I got when they had it 50% off. And again, it's hard for me to find the ones that hold pillar candles, so I was really excited to have found this one. And I feel like it's missing a piece because this is like a hole that goes all the way through. So I feel like this had another kind of small plate where you held the candle, but I have tried a 3-inch pillar candle and it works just fine. Another candle holder I got was this beautiful one. This is much larger, and this one is heavy, guys. And I got this one for $3.99, again when they had the 50% off sale. And this one is for a tapered candle. I wish I would have found a second one, but mixed in with the rest of my brass candle holders, it'll be just fine if I just have one. Because of its height, this can be kind of like the centered one. And I always tell you guys, go look at the little baggies, because I found this bag of napkin rings, and this was $3.99, again bought during their 50% off sale. And it has some of these wooden ones, and these, oh, one of them is broken. Anyways, these aren't ones that I am super excited about. I'll just have them as extras. I was more excited about these beautiful gold ones. They are brass, I believe, because of the way that they have patina and aging inside of them. And I think it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 11 or a whole set of 12. So this is perfect. I absolutely love these. I'm always looking for brass napkin rings because they are just so beautiful, and these look a little bit more elegant than ones that I already have, because they do have, let me try and take it out so that I can show you what I mean. They have some texture to them. Oh, I don't want to rip that. So I hope that you can see, there we go, kind of the texture that it does have. So that makes it look a little bit more elegant, a little bit more fancy. And I did count, and I do have 12 in total, so I only need 6. Most likely I'll be breaking this up into two different sets of 6. I do have some monthly giveaways over on my Instagram. Go follow me over there so that you can learn more about that, and I may be giving the other set of 6 away over there. I also found this cute little sign, and it just says, "Shh, it's nap time." And this is originally from Hobby Lobby for $11.99, which really means $6. And I did get this for $3. I won't be keeping this in my home. I think this is for a project I'm working on, but I still loved it. It was a cute little sign. I didn't want to leave it behind because, again, I got this when they had the 50% off sale, so I actually got it for $1.50. For my basket wall obsession, I also found this cute little basket, and this one was $1.99, again during the 50% off sale. And it just has this cute little design here on the side. It's purple and pink, so it's beautiful. Again, most likely will not be keeping this because it is too small for me. I don't really have a use for it. Even for a basket wall, because it has the lid, I would rather just use it as kind of like a little trinket holder. So most likely this is going to go for a project I'm working on. One more candle holder. I didn't even realize I had this one in there, but this is just a simple pillar candle holder, and it was actually this one was 99 cents, but again, this was bought with the 50% off sale, so this was only 50 cents. I love this. It's cute and simple. I also bought 3 of these, and these are brand new. They all still had this little plastic, and they were $1.49, 50% off. And I don't know if you recognize this from the infomercials, but this is, let me show it on this side where it won't shine so much. These are spice racks that you put up on your counter, and then you're supposed to be able to just pull it out so that you get to see all of your spices here on the side. It's pretty convenient. It doesn't move well on the track because it still has this, it's being held together because they do move independently. But anyways, I got a total of 3 of these. They do not fit in my cabinets, so I'm actually going to be using this for craft storage. I did already see that it does fit my acrylic paints. I have a lot of those little acrylic paints that you get at Walmart from Apple Barrel, I think it is, or Craft Smart from Michael's, that are between 50 cents to $1. They fit perfectly in here height wise, and they are a little bit thinner than the space that they give you, but it's perfectly fine. I have 3 of these, so I'll be able to store a lot of my paints in here. For my spices, it actually didn't fit not only my cupboards but most of my spices, unless I went out and bought little containers to sort out my spices, and I don't have time for that. I'm fine with the containers that they come in. It's all hidden away. Nobody sees them anyways. So that's probably why these were donated. Somebody bought them full price and didn't even use them again. All of them still had these little cardboard inserts. And that's all of the items. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed all of the items that I hauled for you today. I love thrift store shopping. I tend to get really good deals on items, and I try to mainly go when they have their 50% off sales, and that is once a month on a Saturday. And I think they switch it up because it used to be the first Saturday, then it was the last Saturday. Sometimes they do promotions where it's kind of in between. I don't get it. I don't know. They let you know in advance when it is. So make sure that you check out your Goodwill on those days and go early, because all of the good stuff sells quick. So again, make sure that you do go early. Let me know down below in the comments what is your favorite item that I showed you today. And I think that's where I'm going to end it off, because I hope again that I posted both videos on the same day and that you are watching them back to back. So as always, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and that's where I'm gonna leave it off. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day. Bye bye.